Hi everyone. In this lecture, we will learn how to write the paper title, and also we will look at how to organize the words of your title so that it captures the main idea of your paper. So what goes in the title? First, it should reflect the main topic or domain that you are working on, and also the core contributions that you are making in your paper. And this should be as concise as possible. Second, you should always use the common terminologies that experts can easily recognize. For example, if you are working on classifying images, formally the task would be known as image classification or image recognition. So you would always want to use those kinds of words in your title. You could also add words that are related to the specific problems in your topic that you are working on, as well as the results. An example of a problem would be for recognition. One specific problem would be occlusions, and another could be maybe dealing with small objects. So you could highlight those in the paper title as well to show the readers that you are addressing those specific problems. And it's also a good idea to make your title a little bit catchy in the sense that it would be compelling and a memorable title that could easily grab the reader's attention. And always you would want to use relevant keywords that would make your paper easily searchable on the internet. So how to actually write the title of a paper? I have shown here 4 examples from 4 different research papers. The first one is Barlow twins self-supervised learning via redundancy reduction. To start off, they add the name of their method, which is Barlow twins, and then they address the topic, which is self-supervised learning, followed by the idea, which is redundancy reduction. This would be one way of writing a paper title. And the other is residual attention, a simple but effective model for multi-label recognition. Here, the authors start with the name or idea, and this is followed by with the result, where it says here that a simple but effective method, and then this is followed by with the topic. The next one is residual attention, a simple but effective method for multi-label image recognition. The paper starts off with the name or idea of the work. This is followed by with the result, where it says a simple but effective method. And finally, it ends with the topic, which is multi-label recognition. Another example is masked supervised learning for semantic segmentation. The title's pretty simple here, where it starts with the idea, which is masked supervised learning, followed by with the topic, which is semantic segmentation. Another example is learning to recognize occluded and small objects with partial inputs. In this case, the paper starts with the topic, which is learning to recognize. So the readers would understand that this is a recognition problem. And then we have the results, which is occluded and small objects. And finally, the idea, which is using partial inputs. Here's a template for writing a paper title. To start off, you would answer the question that what is your paper topic? What is your idea? What are the results or the problem that your idea solves? And optionally, you could also add what is the name of your method. I've added a reference here, which is called Machine Learning Paper Titles. So if I quickly go over the link, you would see a bunch of titles of different papers. So if you go over them, you would get an idea or an understanding of what paper titles would look like. We'll leave things off here for now, and I hope this was helpful. Bye.